So you pull your shoulders back and chin over the bar. Then when you rep out, stick your feet up.
Oh no. Yes.
Wow.
The sun looks so mint, especially with glasses on now.
Is this on already?
Kyle and Matthew and Boatsy. Here's the first part of the workout, the pull workout. We're going to start with some wide grip pull-ups. Nice and simple. So you pull your shoulders back and chin over the bar. Then down. If you're advanced, like I probably will be, you hold your knees up like this and do it the same way. And you'll rep out until you can't do any more. Take too much time, so I'm going to do the next exercise. Hands under. Same thing, it's more like a bicep lat type of focus. So you rep out both so you can't do any more. Then when you're finished, we'll come over here and do more rows. Get Matt out of the way. So it's like a row, like this, same thing, scapular, pull. And you get the idea. Then to finish off the pull, you do like a wide grip Australian row. Chest to bar. Rep out as well, and then after that, get your hands under, stand up a little bit taller. That's more of like a bicep curl. But you get the idea. It'll take too long if I was going to explain the whole thing in one video, so just max out to your full capacity if you want to. Use the band as well. So that's like the pull workout, that can be like one workout by itself, but we're going to do 3 in 1. So for the push workout, we'll start with dips. I like having my legs straight, but you can have your legs bent up as well. And just rep out your dips, as many as you can do. Then when you rep out, stick your feet up, rep out again. Get the idea. Then just go normal push up. You can do more advanced stuff if you want to, but I'll probably just rep out normal push ups. And then when that's done, go to like a bit of a higher sort of bar to do push ups on. And do tricep extensions. Kind of like skull crushers, I guess you call them. Then when you rep out skull crushers, then do a press but like upper, so it's like a tricep press. Rep that out. Then when you finish that, do it like a bit lower, just more of a push up. And just finish like that. It should take you a while to do it, I was not showing you all of it. That's kind of 2 workouts, you can incorporate them together, so you do like pull, then your dips, then you do your rows and your push-ups and make that one workout. Then if you want to do legs, you could do stuff like pistol squats, so you do like one leg, other leg. You have a good balance so you can hold on to something if you want to. Or if that's too hard, you could like come here, hold the bar, and put like your foot behind you and touch your knee on the ground like that. Probably do about 10 on each side for that. And then after that, you could do say walking lunges and just like walk along and do 10 on each side. Or you could do one where people they go and they jump and switch. Do like 20 of them with the 10 on each side. Then do say 10 like jumping squats. Then you could like 20 of them say. Then just finish on 20 of the normal squats. Or if you want to after that, you can also do like leg extension squats like this. But yeah, that's kind of the idea. And we're just going to run through all that in one exercise, like one set, and do like 3 to 5 sets. We just do 3 sets and then play some baseball. But take your own things. They're the main sort of exercise you can do in a park, I'd say. But yeah.
So after you do one exercise, do you go straight to the next one?
Pretty much, yeah. Make it one big set.
Okay. Cool.
That's kind of the main exercise you kind of use in the bodyweight workout, I'd say.
Yeah.
Especially here as well.
And so do you do all of them together, and that's one set, then you do it again? Or how does that work?
Well, you can make your own workout out of those exercises. Like,
Okay.
you can do it in 3 days. You can do like just the pull stuff and just do like 5 sets of that on a Monday.
Yeah.
Push stuff, do 5 sets of that on a Wednesday. Leg stuff, 5 sets of that on a Friday. Or you could like incorporate like vertical and horizontal pulling and like, so you just do pull-ups and like shoulder like press. So shoulder press is like, I mean, something to hold on to is that you stand up like that. And that can work good supersetting with like pull-ups and stuff, but kind of just make your own type of workout out of the exercises, I'd say.
Yeah. So within all that is about 3 different workouts. You can
Oh,
pick
it's
and
like
choose between
infinity,
all the
kind of.
exercises.
It's infinity. You can just focus on one workout and just pull-ups.
Yeah. Cool.
And you start using the band and stuff, and you start doing different grips and bits and pieces. Australian pull-ups as well.
Awesome. Sounds good.
Yeah, we'll just kind of works very well. Takes more videos of people doing the exercises and bits and pieces we kind of
Awesome.
think about as we go.
Actual animals.
You missed Carl doing his push-ups. How's it filming still?
Yeah, just keep it filming.
So Matt, it's interview Southern Districts, Div 7, third base. Oh no. Yes. You ready? Wait. I didn't get the glove in the foot shot at all.
The sun looks so mint, especially with glasses on now. She is a beautiful one. All energy comes from the sun. Sun to me is like, I guess what people call God, but I don't know. I call God more like Mother Nature, I guess. Because you hear Alan Watts talk about it and he's like, some guy went up to heaven and met with God and she was a lovely black woman.